Facebook. It's MachineMonday.
Good morning, this is Roger Hamilton. I'm one of the sales team members here at Factory Cleaning Equipment. I want to talk to you today about the Phoenix 3030. It holds 30 gallons of water in the clean tank and the dirty tank. It's also 30 inches wide. Theoretical cleaning capacity is about 45,000 square feet an hour. It is very nice in the fact that it has an LED display with a direction control toggle switch where you can go forward and reverse. This also shows you your state of charge and how many hours are on the machine. In this case, 116. This is your speed control, that you can adjust the speed of the machine and reverse the course the same way, just change your speed. All right, it has, you lower the squeegee, it's a mechanical squeegee. You just lower it down and you want to close on the vacuum. Turn it back up when you want to stop it. This is the drain hose where once the tank is full, it will shut itself off. You just drain the machine right here on the ground. Clean water goes in the top. You can fill it up to the very top of this tank right here, 30 gallons. And if for some reason you want to drain the tank, you can take this hose right here and lie it on the ground and the water will flow out in case you had too much soap or some other reason you wanted to drain it. One of the nice features about this machine is that it does have the built-in charger. You just plug it to any 110 outlet. It's very convenient for a rental machine or pass it around between plant to plant. You don't have to worry about keeping up with the charger. Very simple, automatic on, starts, comes on, then it cuts itself off when it's done. The only other thing here is just when you get ready to lower your squeegee, you just has a foot pedal. It has 2 degrees of how much brush pressure to put on the floor. So all you do is just reach over and drop the squeegee to the floor. When you get done, you just pick it up, push it to the left, and you're done. That's pretty much just a quick rundown on this machine. If you have any questions, go to our comment page or like our Facebook page and other things. We'd appreciate it. Thank you.